What is going on out there, good people, and welcome back to LMD Trading, where I am living my dream trading. Just wrapped up getting my daily recap out of the way, and at the very end of that recap, went back to TOS charts and made a pretty nice call out. I think it was a pretty nice call out. Happened live. Just wanted to snip just that part of the video out. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna start that video. Hopefully the audio sounds decent. I hadn't done one of these in a while, so I'm not sure how my audio is gonna pick this up, but let's go ahead. Let's run it.
Kind of just range bound. I usually don't like to trade ranges, but I could pretty much drop an arrow or not drop an arrow. I'll drop a price line right there, and then the range is right there.
So I'm basically,
range that I have it in.
I'm gonna pause it 1 sec. Basically just defining the range that the market had been in. If you notice, it had been in that range basically from 1 o'clock. And at the time that I was doing this recap, it was about 2:15. And you see, it was just kind of working that range.
Right there. You see these wicks? These are battles. These are battles for the bears to try to break this range, and the bulls push it back up. Bulls pushed it back up. Look at what the bears just did. If that breaks that candle, booyah. Booyah. It breaks that candle, it's going to flush. A lot of times it might just be a quick little pop. Quick little pop like that. If the bears can keep control, this is coming all the way back down to this range line. And now I'm just watching up here at the left, the time. I don't want no parts of this candle at this time. I want to see when this gets to about 45, 50. See what this candle looks like. That's telling me right now, bulls have kind of regained this candle. But let's see what happens in the last 15 seconds, the last 10 seconds. That's when the battle happens. Look who has control now, the bears. So if you bought at 30 seconds thinking the bulls had control, you might have got bamboozled. Again, break the low, look for the quick flush. Come on now, it's that easy, y'all. Really not, but it is. Look at that flush right there. See, it's coming back down to there. How many points was that? That was 50 down to 44. That's 6 points. Think about it. If you're doing what I'd be doing and be a DGen and you'd be hammered in. I'm usually not going to hammer in unless I got a good line of sight on it. Watch this, though. Let's see. See how I dropped that line at that wick right there? They're battling the people that's in this wick. You see that? Again, I'm back up here watching the clock. I want to see who has control. Booyah. Bears tried to push it on down, take these people out in that wick. And look, bam. Right there to that price level that I said. I'm going to remove this one. That was there just because of that wick. But look at where this thing came down to. Come on, y'all. Y'all got to give me some. What they be doing at the poetry night. Snap, 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 snap. Got to give me some. Got to give me some. On that note, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to wrap this one on up.
And I'm going to wrap that one on up as well. But yeah. It's that easy, but it's not really that easy. That's the dedication I put in. Some people might call it an addiction. I call it a dedication. I'm dedicated to these charts because these charts is what make me money. These charts will talk to y'all. If you want to get into trading, you got to learn the language. You got to learn the language. And that's what I'm trying to do over here at LMD Trading. As always, thanks for checking me out. Haven't subscribed, please do so. If you hadn't hit that like button, please do so. It don't cost you a thing. And as always, we can continue the conversation in the comments. We'll go ahead and get this one posted, and I'm about to get out here in this shop. Peace.